am the excavator. I am the bulldozer. I am the dump truck. I am the crane. I am the road roller.
I'm the concrete mixer.
We're the construction fleet. No difficulty can beat us. Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Bridge construction. A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quickly. Here you come, construction fleet. This is the task for building the bridge. I can count on you for bridge construction. Our construction fleet is a group of little expert builders. You can count on us. I am the excavator. You can leave the task of digging for bridge construction to me. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. The bridge pier is set up. I am the crane, and I will complete the task of lifting the bridge deck. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task of mixing concrete. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the concrete road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. That's not correct. Try again. Construction Fleet, the bridge you have built is so amazing. Here is a construction badge for you as a reward.